series of getting started with Badgelist. Um, in the previous episodes, I have kind of walked you through like just how to begin doing a badge, and were specifically looking at this one on ISTE standards for learners, ISTE standards for educators, and the learner badge, learner standard. And so we went ahead and looked at this technology learning pathfinder badge. And now it is I'm logged in as an administrator. So if I went back out here, I can see, and I've actually received an email too that there's a feedback request. That I've got three potentially feedback requests here. I could look there, or if I know that we're doing that specific badge or series of badges, I could look at it from the tag as well. And so you can see here, I know that we're working with the learner badges, and so there's one feedback request. I just click on that. Here's the badge that is one person, JMC, has worked on, and I can click on that. And from here, I can do I can do it in a batch, but since there's only one here, I can just look at this individuals. See the information that they have put in for the badge requirements. So there are the images, here are the links, and they are active. So I can, well, of course, ISTE and site. Kind of interesting loading of the page there, but it did eventually load the page. And for AACT, we'll see if it does the same thing. It will take me out to that physical site. So again, as a reviewer, I can then see it. So I can go back and look at that information. And again, this badge was only asking you to share resources to 3 organizations. Provide a little bit of additional information. So if I check on that, it says, and then I can. It says one log selected because that's the one that's been submitted. I can add feedback here, and I can just say, a feedback summary. And it's required here, so I can just say thanks for completing the badge. And under a feedback body, I can say something like these organizations something as I investigate that. And so there's it also has a spell check on there. And again, so the other thing here is, as an administrator, if there's something missing, so for example, you only have 2 and it's submitted, I could only provide you the feedback. It's not an automatic that you get the credential if you submit something. And so I can provide feedback only, and it'll give you information saying, oh, it appears like you're missing, the requirements were for 3, and it seems like you've only submitted 2 organizations. Please finish the submission completely and resubmit. And for this one, there's 3 organizations, some information about each of them. So I'm going to go ahead and endorse. And then again, basically what happens then is feedback's been sent on the log to the person. And if I want to continue working, it would say, I could go ahead and see others that have been submitted. So anyway, that's just kind of from my perspective, this is what it looks like. And again, I'll be getting an email here shortly saying a badge has been endorsed. And so I'll share that in the next screencast.